Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you find friends on Kakaotalk with phone number. So at first, just go to the Kakaotalk app. Now in the Kakaotalk app, click on the top right, the middle icon here, this one, add friend. After clicking it, in the top second option is add by contacts. Click on it. After clicking it, the first thing is name. You can just give your friend's name, and under that here you can see the country code of your friend. Just select it and you can change the country code if your friend is in a different country. Now you can just add your friend's number and select the top right OK button, and by this you can just find friends on Kakaotalk with phone number. So guys, that's how you can find friends on Kakaotalk with phone number. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.